the Citadel of Akko and the Knight's Hall. After entering the reception hall, we come to the largest vaulted space in the Crusaders complex. The Great Hall measures 45 by 30 meters and its interior is divided by 15 massive piers. The courtyard spans approximately 1,200 square meters, surrounded by arcaded walkways that once supported stairways leading to the upper floors. The refectorium was the formal dining hall of the hospitalitors. It was not just a place for meals, but also a space for communal discipline. The hall is an impressive vaulted chamber measuring 450 square meters in area. It is divided into 8 cross-ribbed vaults,